Kind of want to touch base on, I never made a video on the collector's edition or the Garage 56 edition or anything of the sort. So I kind of figured we'd make that tonight's live stream. So the collector's edition to me, and here's where I have a problem with it, was we've already had the car. We've had the car all along. I mean, other than the paint, all the parts were available through Chevrolet Performance Parts. What's up, Tracy? Good to see you, man. You're pretty punctual tonight, buddy. That's amazing. I like it. Hope all is well. Hope you had a good weekend, dude. Yeah. Oh, Jim Rage LT1. Yes, sir. What's up with all the stickers? Exactly. The stickers are... it's a feeble attempt. Now, I have heard rumor that they did cancel, or they did end the Camaro team. They broke up the engineers and kind of redistributed them throughout Chevrolet, and they kind of just dismissed them all. So they pretty much just ghost read this platform off into the sunset and kind of milked it for all they could for the years to come, which I think is a joke, because this car could have killed it. But, obviously they're focused on Corvette. So USA Pure Power, I was offered a 2024 Camaro Z1 allocation for MSRP 3 weeks ago. I refused it. I called back a week ago. No, took the... Ooh. Yeah. Call him back. If you get a hold of him, wouldn't you like a wide 10 speed? Right back at you. Wouldn't you like to know? Yeah. So it's like I said, it's gonna be a 10 speed SS 1LE car. Yeah. Mike Burley was I just hung out with him over the weekend, week ago, and yeah. I got to ride, and I finally got to experience a ZL1 10-speed, and it was pretty freaking amazing. I'm not going to tell you. Just got done working for... Oh, yep. Life as a business owner. Yep. That's exactly how it goes, man. I know. 7 days a week, go, go, go. But, yeah, going back to Jim Rage LT1, the stickers, they're pathetic. It's a feeble attempt, and I'm going to tell you, we've never got hit like this ever before in the past. $16,000 for it's not even a different color. We've had black all along. Black, I can't remember the technical name for the carbon pigment that's in black paint. We've had it all along. It's just a matte clear that they're spraying over the top of it. And they've had the matte clear all along because it's the same clear that they used on the SS1LE parts, like the mirrors and the spoiler. Maybe. No, I don't think it's on the emblems, but it's the same clear coat. So, I mean, it's a joke. They're just, reconfiguring everything in a different way. So, we've had the car all along, and they're digging into your pocket for $16,000 additional. I mean, obviously the SS is cheaper. The SS did get tri-coat, gloss tri-coat, but I think Camaro had it up until 2019, or they had it in 2019 and it got discontinued. But Mosaic Black, same color. Is the exact same thing. So it's just disappointing to see Chevrolet treat their customers like this. It's pitiful, because I believe I was talking to Tracy, and he said that you could run this Camaro all the way up to $96,000. This is exactly what Dodge is doing to just extort and abuse their customers, is what it feels like. And also, I'm just going to say what I was telling Tracy the other day. I make content for you guys. I don't work for Chevrolet. I'm not affiliated with Chevrolet. I don't care what Chevrolet thinks. I don't care. Yes, they watch my channel. Yes, they hear me talk shit about them. I don't care. I really don't care what they think. which is probably pretty good because it's an honest review and unbiased opinion of, you know, their product, how it holds up, what I think of it, and so on and so forth. And I hope, you know, LSX, Gem Rage, all the other channels do the same thing, because I mean, I would imagine that's what the general populace is counting on us to do, not just be a fanboy or stand on a soapbox and preach about how great some product is. So